Hey yo, the Too Sweet Kliq out here, Fontana, California, about to take a shot at the Cracker Barrel. What? And you know what it is? It's just too sweet. Out here at the Cracker Barrel, son. Yeah, we checking out this spot. Heard lots of things about it. See if any of them are true. Big Crack. There he is, Big Crack himself.
Becoming available.
Looking like an old gas station. Bro, what did I just walk into? This is what the inside of a Cracker Barrel looks like. If you got a bunch of stuff in your garage that you don't need anymore, bring it to Cracker Barrel. They'll put it on the roof. Cracker things happening at the Cracker Barrel. Oh my God, what a feast. We got something good to eat. Eat.
Delicious.
She's cracking that barrel, son, with that mimosa.
All right.
Everybody from the Church Hall of Fame is here. I'm gonna try that fried okra.
This is fried okra.
Fried okra there. Good stuff. All right.
Okay. I'm very excited for my fried chicken. Fried chicken is my favorite food. So let's.
Her favorite? Even more than steak?
Yes. When you get a good fried chicken.
That's true.
I love.
It's hard to beat.
I'm doing great.
Good chicken, huh?
Oh.
Wow. There's some white teeth. This girl tearing the fart. Lord Jesus.
Can you see this team?
She's looking like a raptor.
It's super fresh.
Super fresh.
It's super good. This is some good fried chicken. It's crispy. It's seasoned well. Oh man, it's good. I love it.
We got here some bacon, ham, sausage, grits. Holla at me. Potato casserole, eggs. The flapjack boys with the real cane syrups in. I'm sure the eggs are gonna taste like eggs. That's good, hash brown casserole. I expected it to be a little creamier, but it's not bad. And it tastes like there's possibly some meat in there, flavoring it. Sweet ham, looks a little strange.
Yeah, it looks good to me. Good? I want to bite.
That's a good ham, bro. Salty, sweet, tender, smoked sausage. I think it's like a breakfast sausage that's been smoked, supposedly. Pretty good. You know, basic sausage there. Good smoky, crispy bacon. Give these grits a stir. These look a little watery. The crackers don't know how to make it. Terrible.
Oh, how sad.
Absolutely terrible. We got the Cracker Barrel natural syrup. Oh. Give it to him. Okay, all right. I don't know if they're flat pancakes, flapjacks, or hotcakes, but we'll see. That's alright. I like Norms and Dupars myself. Cracker Barrel's pretty good.
They found a case that wasn't.
Sweet, a little bit of crunch. Buttery. Pretty good. That's all I gotta say. Hey yo, thanks for joining the Too Sweet Kliq out here. Cracker Barrel throwing down for a half a pound, whatever that means in your town. And you know what it is, it's just too sweet. Bye.